Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty guy. So let's just start right away with the analysis of the Nifty. So last day we had discussed that this is a important support zone and we'll plan to go short below this with a pullback. Now, if you see the market opened with a huge gap down of around 180 points, a green candle formed right at the opening. So this is something which I call as a profit booking candle. So once there's a huge gap down, there were many people who would have taken a BTST short positions, and they will see good profits at the right at the open, and they would book their positions because of which this green candle would have formed over here. And then the market was sideways for the next 15 minutes. As soon as this low was, this could be considered as the pullback. And as soon as this low was taken out, this meant the fresh sellers are entering the market and a short scalp was done here. I took this trade. A short scalp was done over here, which I booked somewhere around here when the green candle was forming. So this was a scalp which ended in profit for me. After that, the market was in a sideways range, and I took my second trade of the day right here at the break of this particular high. So this is something which is known as a drop, base, and rally. Uh, I'll cover this thing over the weekend sometime later on, wherein I'll cover this drop, base, rally concept in detail so that you can identify it in the future. So what in I'll just cover it in short right here. What it means is there's a one side momentum, and then the momentum pauses. The market tries to form a base here, and once you see a breakout or a breakdown, you can again continue the take a trade on either side. So this was again a scalping trade which gave me good profits. I exited somewhere around here. I don't hold my trades for too long, and that is what I also suggest to my followers. Right now, the current market situation in India is not of holding the trades for long because if you would have held that trade, you would have soon ended up in losses. Then the third trade was taken when I saw this particular trend line, and I'll just zoom the charts for you. I waited for the breakdown of this particular trend line. This can also be a head and shoulder pattern over here. Uh, as I always say, I do not take trades without a pullback. I waited for this particular red candle closing. This was a good, healthy pullback. As soon as this low was taken out, I entered for short scalp over here. I exited as soon as the spin bar was formed. So again, out of here. Plus, I also observed this particular RSI divergence, which was on a 5 minutes as well as on a 15 minutes time frame. If you can see, market from the lower low, RSI formed a higher high. So do not hold the trades for long. This particular pin bar was my exit. No further trades were taken. So in total, three trades today, all three in profit, in good profits. Good trading day. Now let us plan for tomorrow. If we look at the daily candle, daily chart, I remove the drawings for now. So this is kind of a breakdown which has happened for me. But I'm still not very convinced with this particular breakdown because this entire zone over here is a good, strong support zone. Now, support is not just a line that you might say that you had drawn this particular line over here and then this is broken, but support is generally a zone. So and what also happened is something which is known as an exhaustion rally is there was a big down move. I'll just explain it in short over here. A big down move, then the market lost its downward momentum, went sideways for some time. Now, if it has to reverse, either it will reverse from here or it will just give one more push towards the downside and then reverse. This might also be an exhaustion push towards the downside. Let us see what actually it is, and the price will unfold on its own. We'll just follow the price wherever it leads us. For tomorrow, we'll keep the plan very simple. We will plan a short trade below today's low again with a pullback. We'll wait for the pullback, and that is where we'll plan our short trade. Long trades now, I will be a little cautious till market shows me some more positive price action. But if you see today's price action was also there's a trend line which can be drawn over here, trend line zone, and a long trade, a gap filling trade can possibly be taken over today's high, but you can enter a quick long position above this particular level. This is a zone which has been tested twice, and you can enter a long trade over here again with a pullback for targets up to the gap. we can target this gap filling or maybe the retest of this particular support area, which will now act as a resistance. So we'll target, if we take a long trade, we'll target it only up to these particular levels. So yes, the plan of action will again be very, very simple. Like we always do, we have to keep our trading very, very simple in order to be profitable here. Otherwise, we'll lose our money. Don't rush into trades. Wait for those setups to form and then only take your entries. Again, everything should be with a very, very strict stop loss. I repeat these things in all my videos and I will keep on doing it so that these things are imbibed in you and you don't take any rush decision. We'll just add this line over here as well, over which we are planning the long trade. Now, the best case scenario would be if market opens flat to a little gap down and then breaks this level and then gives us a pullback and we can continue the short trade, which will be a high probable trade. That will be the best possible case scenario. In case of a major gap up, the market will tend to turn volatile. The best would be if the market opens volatile or a slight gap down, we can have a good short side trade. So that's it from my side. If you guys like the content that I post, request you would to like, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment on it, interact with me, and also share the channel link with your trader friends so that they can also take the benefit out of it. I have just started here trying to grow my little channel, so I'll need that motivation and support from all of you guys. I hope you all have a good trading day tomorrow. Cheers to that. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you.